Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Then choose while using the app in the pop-up and click on this gear icon at the top right corner to adjust recording options, like format. To save your changes, click on OK at the bottom right corner. Then go back and start your recording by tapping on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. Then name it above and discard it by tapping on the bottom left corner or save it by tapping on bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Tap on this pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!